This time we're approaching Talbot Roundabout from the Atherton Town centre side, so just gone past the BP petrol station. So coming up to it from this side, see there's a bit more information on this sign than in the previous video. So we're still starting at 6 o'clock, working our way around clockwise on the sign. So you've got the first exit, roughly about 7 o'clock on the clock face, which is again to the pub and the housing estate. Now on that one, on this sign, there's no dead end marker on it. If you remember on the other video, shows that there's a dead end marker on it. So it's very easy to get confused on this one, that if you're on the independent driving part, if the examiner asks you to follow up for Pennington Flash, that Pennington Flash is actually the second exit. So everything what's on the left hand side of the sign, which is starting from M6, Leigh, Howbridge, Crematorium and Pennington Flash. So we've already covered, by saying that, the second exit, which is down the bypass to Leigh, etc. The third exit at 12 o'clock is Wigan and Hindley. And then you've got the fourth exit round to Gibfield Business Park. Now you can notice on the floor, you've got two lanes on approach. The left lane only goes to the housing estate and the pub and to Leigh down the bypass. The right hand lane in this from this side will go straight ahead towards Wigan and Hindley. Also use it for the right turn towards Gibfield Business Park, and obviously to come back round as well if you wanted to use the roundabout for a U-turn. So first way I'm going to go, again I'm not going to go down the housing estate, so we're just going to go second exit on approach to it to head down to Leigh down the bypass. Just coming up to it into the left hand lane. So there's no indication on approach, because an indicator on approach will take you to the housing estate, so check the roundabout's completely clear. So make sure we clear the first exit for the housing estate before we put left indicator on. It's also important to stay in the left hand lane as you're actually going around the roundabout as well. So coming back up to Talbot roundabout from the same direction, approaching from Atherton Town Centre BP garage. Going to go straight on towards Wigan and Hindley, so it's right hand lane on approach. We're not going to signal coming onto it because we're going straight ahead. Stay in the right hand lane as you're going around the roundabout. You need to check the left hand mirror to make sure there's nothing at the side of you. If safe, take the exit. So coming back up to the roundabout now, this time we're going to be turning right, fourth exit towards Gibfield Park and the driving test centre. So mirror signal right, obviously right hand lane again. Following it around, coming to the exit, so you've got one there to the estate, two to the bypass, three to Wigan. Left door mirror check, it's safe, take the exit.